Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about Crescent Network, which is a DeFi platform in the Cosmos ecosystem, made by the collaboration of the BHarvest team and the Ignite team, formerly known as Tendermint. It offers a bunch of different things that makes them stand out to the rest of the DeFi platforms in the Cosmos. Without further ado, let's check them out. The very first thing you see when you enter the DEX is the order book. You can see a bunch of different pairs here, and it uses the liquidity module. The liquidity module is used on any Cosmos SDK based applications, and you can create any pair and deposit liquidity. At the top of the order book, you can see this number, which is called the ticker number. It lets you choose the precision of the price. So if you choose 2 decimal places, you can see it reflecting here. And on the right, we have limit and market orders. So you can place a limit order by selecting the price, and then you can select quantity. It will give you a price, and it does not execute until it hits that price. And for the market buys, the price is already set by the market, and you just type your amount like you normally do and buy it. At the bottom, you can see if you have any open orders, and just so you know, if your deposit, withdrawal, or any trade fails to execute, you get your money refunded. Next up, we have farming. So as we know, Crescent is an AMM, which is automated market maker. We talked about liquidity module earlier and saw those different pools. They work similar in most AMMs such that their product remains constant. That is, asset A multiplied by asset B gives a constant value, which is also called constant product module. Now, range pools help in providing liquidity amplification by selecting a certain range of price. So if we see here B Crescent and Crescent range pool, it offers the minimum price of 1.15 and the maximum price of 1.25. So all the swaps will happen in this price range, and it amplifies the liquidity by 48%. This decreases the slippage by a huge amount when swapping. So another solution that Crescent is coming up with, the latest upgrade, version 3.0, to increase the liquidity is having traditional market makers. The difference between the highest bid and the lowest ask is called the spread. The role of market makers is to constantly buy and sell to reduce this spread and offer very low slippage while making profit. So at Crescent, market makers are coming live in about 2 months to some major assets like Atom, ETH, Wrapped, BDC, and USDC. Now, to continue on the topic of the latest version, there are a couple more things that are coming up. The farming module is having a version 2, which brings up 2 big changes. Before I mention the first point, we need to understand that the pools with the same pair would have a critical question of which pool should have how much reward. This will become a subjective matter. That's why instead of incentivizing pools, a farming plan would be created for the token pair instead, and the rewards are distributed based on liquidity of that pool. And the second change is that the reward system will be block based instead of epoch based. Another major update is the liquid farming module. In a normal DeFi, liquid pools lock up the pool tokens and give rewards for staking those tokens. Liquid farming also lets you stake your liquid pool coins or LP coins, but at the same time it mints liquid farming coins or LF coin. These LF coins can be used in other platforms like lending protocols, where the LF coin is taken as collateral. The rewards from liquid farming are compounded automatically by an auction process, which exchanges the rewarded LF coins back to the LP coins and compounds it. So the auction works in such a way that all the rewarded LF coins are accumulated together and auctioned. The bidders can use their LP coins to bid only once per auction, and the winner gets to take all of the accumulated LF coins. In return, all the users get their respective LP coins that are compounded automatically. Here's a sneak peek of the liquid farming module on the testnet. Although it is live, but the front-end user interface is not visible on the mainnet because the team is waiting for the use case to be ready. That is, a lending protocol like UMI or Kava, where the LF tokens can be used as collateral. So now we can see how it works. So as you already see, I have done it once, but we can do it again. Let's select B Crescent and Crescent pair with ranged pool, and it says LF here. Let's try this one again. First you need to deposit. So let's select 0.1, deposit, approve. Now you gotta wait. Next we see farm. So you can see the difference. You can select liquid farming here, and these are the pool tokens you got, and here it shows how much APY you can make because it auto compounds after every auction. So it tells you the APY, and these are the rewards you will be getting. Like as soon as you liquid farm, you'll get this much of LF token. So let's try that. Approve. Now let's check. Now here it was saying 0.01, now it says 0.03, and let's check our portfolio. At the bottom you can see this is my balance of LF tokens, which are minted as soon as I click the farm button. I assume from here you can send your liquid farming tokens to the lending protocols. So yeah, you still make pool rewards that auto compounds after every auction and get these liquid farming tokens on top of that. The equation to see how much farming tokens will be minted can be seen in the documents. Also, keep in mind that the user interface is subject to change as it comes to the mainnet. Finally, Crescent already offers liquid staking, which lets you liquid stake the token Crescent and earn staking rewards, while also mint the P Crescent token, which can be used to maximize yield by swapping, depositing, pooling, and so on. Liquid staking validators in Crescent are whitelisted, which is based on scoring. Scoring is calculated by the foundation, but the methodology is public and objective, so the validators can score themselves. The addition of validator has to be agreed upon the governance, and at max, one validator is added every month unless there are performance issues in the network. In a nutshell, there are many unique features that Crescent offers which separates them to the rest of the DeFi in Cosmos currently. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you next time.